live.
Eh, kanta muna, kanta.
Isa muna tayo sa mga consolation prize. Dalawang consolation prize muna. Okay, yung unang consolation prize. Naku nga, mamagulit yung pangalan mo. Ang first consolation prize ay kay Edward Craft. Wala si Craft.
Wala.
Yung ating second consolation prize ito yung kanyang matatanggap. Consolation prize from Counter Department.
Counter.
Kay Rowena Cavite.
Palakpak.
Okay, ready na ba yung ating commission number?